Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix no internet, secured on your Wi-Fi network. Now, this is a very common problem, and it could be a lot of major factors. One of the factors I could show you is, for example, here, if I connect to my VPN like this, you can see my internet here will go into no internet for a second here. You can see, right? You can tell from the logo earlier that was no internet but secured. Now, that's one of the main way I could show you how we can fix this. We can just disconnect from a VPN and then it could turn back to normal, right? Another issue is that maybe if you're using a mobile hotspot and it says no internet but secured, it might be because your mobile hotspot is out of data. Usually, the most common issue I see with no internet is secured, but they're still connected is that they're connected to a network with no internet. So if there's a mobile hotspot, the data might be out, or because of your Wi-Fi and you haven't paid your bills, maybe your Wi-Fi got cut off, things like that. But if it's none of the issues above, then we'll need to go deeper and troubleshoot more deeper as well. So the thing you need to do from here is you want to go to settings and then you want to search up troubleshoot. So troubleshoot settings like this. And on other troubleshoot settings, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then on network and internet, you will just want to press on run. And then on run, you can see there's a get help section here. Now, you see, I'm okay. I'm connected, so it doesn't troubleshoot anything. But for you, it might detect something else. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.